Ethereum Value Forecast Synopsis. Ongoing information shows Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $3,153 in a fundamentally huge manner. Our Ethereum, for the most part, long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $199,657 and $221,712 in a significant manner. Ethereum ETH explicitly is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a typical cost of $2 toward the finish of 2025. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $43.38 mark, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum ETH truly is expected to arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $178,762 continuously 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Starting around 26 February 2024, Ethereum especially is exchanging at $3,153 in term of its host rate, with the value change of 8% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. ETH has a complete market cap of $378, $838, $817, $317 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16, $743, $442, $953 in a quite enormous manner. This, in every practical sense, makes Ethereum ETH really positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum for the most part be genuinely worth in 2024? Is Ethereum a very wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024? Will ETH value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, or so they certainly thought? These certainly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, or so they generally thought. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost, for the most part, is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $4,305, the normal pretty least value. Worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the year in every way that really matters. Current year ought to in a real sense be $4,156, which especially is genuinely critical. Besides, ETH can essentially arrive at a really greatest value level of $4,784 in a significant manner. ETH value figure February 2024. The Ethereum estimate for February 2024 expects that the ETH may for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $3,201 with a base cost of around $2,815. Or so they really thought. Discussing the typical value, ETH can essentially stretch around $3,112 for February. Ethereum ETH value expectation Walk 2024. The cost for Ethereum in Walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $3,057 and $3,325, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $3,205, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value estimate April 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Ethereum ETH could especially go to $3,269 toward the finish of April 2024, which basically is genuinely huge. ETH could by and large be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $3,453 with the very least expected cost of $3,121, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value expectation May 2024. Ethereum cost truly is supposed to, for the most part, reach between $3,281 to $3,584 in May 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of ETH for the May explicitly remains around $3,400. Ethereum value estimate June 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Ethereum ETH could in a real sense go to $3,502 toward the finish of June 2024 in a genuinely significant manner. ETH could really be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $3,720 with a truly least expected cost of $3,354 in a sort of large manner. Ethereum ETH value conjecture July 2024. The Ethereum ETH cost for July 2024 may sort of arrive at an essentially least worth of $33,489, while the most extreme gauge cost is around $3,895, which sort of is genuinely critical. The typical cost for ETH in every way that really matters is generally anticipated to generally reach $3,607 in July 2024 in an unpretentious way. ETH value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum basically is determined to especially be at around an especially least worth of $3,633 in a quite large manner. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $4.76 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $3,751 in a by and large enormous way. Ethereum value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for Ethereum could in every practical sense stretch around $4,263, which certainly is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in September 2024 truly is $3,716 with a truly normal cost of $3,864 in an especially significant manner. Ethereum ETH value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Ethereum is explicitly anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a typical cost of $4.18, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $4,456 and an in every way that really matters, least of $3,900 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum ETH value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Ethereum cost is gauged to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a fundamentally the least cost of $4.61, or so they for the most part thought. The ETH cost could fundamentally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $4,617 with the essentially normal expected cost around $4,179 in an unobtrusive manner. ETH value conjecture. December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Ethereum for the most part is supposed to essentially arrive at any rate value worth of $4,156, which demonstrates the way that the Ethereum value worth can arrive at an extremely limit of $4.76 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $3,751 in a significant way. The ETH cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $4,784 with a genuinely normal cost around $4,305 in a significant manner. Ethereum kind of passed cost examination with an expansion. In its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost most certainly has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 302% as of now, or so they really thought. For the most part, most recent 7 days, the ETH basically was in certainly great vertical pattern, and expanded by 73%, which by and large is very critical. Ethereum in every practical sense has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which basically is genuinely critical. Ethereum value conjecture 2024 facts. What will be Ethereum essentially worth in 2024, or so they fundamentally thought? The ETH cost truly is estimated to truly arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $4,784 with especially least cost of $4,156 toward the finish of 2024, or so they really thought. Does Ethereum sort of have a future, which generally is genuinely critical? As far as value, Ethereum in every practical sense has a remarkable certainly potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, or so they in every practical sense thought. It most certainly is figure that ETH will increment in esteem, so it in every practical sense is conjecture that ETH will increment in esteem, which fundamentally